Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Passat tail light bulb. This is a straightforward task that can save you money on mechanic fees. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket with a 1/4 inch drive ratchet, and most importantly, a new bulb. For many Passat models, a 7506 bulb is suitable for the taillight or turn signal. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get started by accessing the tail light assembly. Begin by opening your vehicle's trunk or tailgate to gain clear access to the rear light area. Inside the trunk, locate the rectangular fabric access cover on the interior trunk liner, usually near the tail light. Gently pull this panel off and set it aside. Next, you will see the electrical connector. Pull the small red plastic locking tab to release and disconnect the power plug from the light housing. With the electrical connector detached, it's time to remove the tail light housing. Locate the two fasteners, often wing nuts or 10mm bolts that secure the light housing to the vehicle body. Unscrew these fasteners completely. Then, gently pull the entire tail light housing straight off the rear corner of the sedan. Once the housing is out, turn it over to access the bulbs. To remove the faulty bulb, press it down and twist it 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Insert the new bulb by pressing it down and twisting it clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble everything and perform a quick test. Carefully align the tail light housing with its mounting points and push it firmly back into position. Reconnect the electrical plug, making sure to slide the red locking tab back in to secure it. Tighten the two fasteners you removed earlier until they are snug. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic housing. Close the access panel. Lastly, turn on your vehicle and test all tail light functions, including the brake lights, turn signals, and parking lights, to ensure your new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.